Hey, what's up everybody? We're out here at Feed the City. We're at Hope Church. This year is our 24th year. We started in 1997, it's our 24th year, and this year we multiplied into 2 locations. So right now we're here at Hope Church. There's also another location at Dolores Tolliver Park in Warner Robins, Georgia, and a lot of volunteers, as you can see behind me. Cars coming through, getting turkeys, getting bags of food. This man right here started this in 1997. What are your thoughts on what you're seeing and how it's going this year?
Yeah, I think every year just the impact of community involvement, just a partnership we see growing every year. It's just been great. Just helping people in need, man, is what it's all about. So we're so thankful and so grateful.
Partnerships have been key, from the Houston County school system to Walmart to Freshway in Byron, Georgia, to for the 478. Other organizations that have come on board to help this be possible has been the reason you're seeing the results you are of the people coming and getting the food. So thank you to everybody. It's been a great year. Next year is going to be even better. It's going to be our 25th year next year. So it's going to be a major celebration. So thank you to everybody who's given to Feed the City. If you want to know more information about it, you can go to feedthecity.net to get involved and to volunteer.
Yep. Thank you.